It's a great honor for me to christen such an American icon, and I have to admit I've always wanted to ride in one. The Spirit of Goodyear.
Well, we all know the winters are pretty harsh here in Ohio, and because we're building this beautiful new airship, the Spirit of Goodyear is going to, like many Ohioans, retire to the south, and it's going to join its sister ship in Pompano Beach, Florida, because we just don't have quite enough room here in this hangar for this new big ship and our current Spirit of Goodyear. While it's in Florida, it will continue to provide amazing aerial coverage for our network partners, as well as support our tower customers. So the Goodyear NT is on schedule, and soon we'll be adding the passenger gondola, the fins, and the engine gondolas. And then we can look forward to flying the new airship and see it in the skies in early spring. We know Akron loves the blimp, and we love Akron. The Spirit of Goodyear will be doing a farewell tour on October 9th and 10th. Please step out of your houses and your offices and take some pictures and wave goodbye to the Goodyear blimp. And while you're doing that, post those pictures on our Blimp Facebook, post your stories. We look forward to hearing from you.